Welcome back, everyone, and thanks for joining me today. In this video, we are going to explore a very useful accessibility feature in Firefox Nightly on mobile. If you struggle with small text or simply want better readability, first, open the Firefox Nightly browser on your mobile device. Next, look at the top right and tap on the three-dot menu icon. Then, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. Then, scroll down until you find the Accessibility option and tap on it. Now, locate the option called Zoom on all websites. Turn this option on to allow Firefox Nightly to zoom every website automatically. You will notice that all websites now respect zoom gestures, making text and content easier to read. Don't forget to like the video, share it with others who might need it, and thanks for watching.